Out of here, everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds, so stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from college and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. So thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers, and in this video I want to talk to the fathers about his father's responsibility. It's a very important job that a father has in raising a son, to me. So this video is going to be catered to having a discussion about what a father's responsibility really is, and what it should be to make this world a better place. So here we go. It's a father's God-given natural ability to shape his son into a better man than him. And everything the father learns, experiences, must be instilled into the character of his son. There should be a stronger moral fiber of value and a steadfast, unbreakable hold on core beliefs within the son, if the father teaches them right. What an amazing honor it is to be given the awesome responsibility of raising a son. A father's pride is built on how well the son succeeds. There's no better position in society than being a father. Each father has the opportunity to affect the future of the known world. Fathers can do this by molding his son into a great man that brings change to the world. Webster's dictionary states fathers are the pillars in the development of a child's emotional well-being. Children look to their fathers to lay down the rules and enforce them. They also look to their fathers to provide the feeling of security, both physically and emotionally, and have a deep understanding of the intellectual world. The father's responsibility encompasses a lot of things like teaching, showing, coaching, counseling, mentoring, molding, disciplining, consoling, encouraging, rewarding, compensating, directing, and guiding, along with leading their son on their journey to becoming a great man. It's a large responsibility that a father has. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Some of the skills that a father should teach their son is basic plumbing, electricity, carpentry, auto repair, lawn care, teach them a little bit of poetry, maybe, talk to them about biology and geology, so that geography, so that they're well-rounded. You want your son to have the greatest opportunity to get out here in the world and succeed. And giving them these little bits of knowledge and education can do that for him. Put him ahead of the curve. Put him ahead of all the other young men that are out there. And I would hope that you would want that for your son. So I'm giving you this information to encourage you to do just that. Give your son a better chance to succeed in life by teaching him, molding him, mentoring him into a great man. History can help with the development of a young man's understanding of his environment in today's world. Knowing where you come from can prepare you for the future. There are many lessons learned that can make life easy to navigate. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Have comments, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, like the video, because I'll be putting more out there. Like I always say, peace and blessings. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Knows what the sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with thee.